Uploading a project to GitHub involves creating a repository and pushing your project's code to it. Here's a concise guide. Create repository. Log into GitHub and click the plus icon at the top right, then select New Repository. Give it a name, description, and choose visibility. Initialize with README. You can choose to initialize the repo with a README file that provides project details. Clone repository. On the repository page, click the code button and copy the repository's URL. Local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your project's directory. Use git clone repository URL to clone the repository. Add files. Copy your project files into the clone directory. Commit changes. Use git add to stage your changes and then git commit -m initial commit to commit them. Push to GitHub. Use git push origin main to push your committed changes to GitHub. Repository update. Refresh your repository page on GitHub to see your uploaded files. Branches. If you have multiple branches, you can push those too using similar git push commands. Collaboration. Share your repository URL with collaborators for them to clone and contribute. README and documentation. Enhance your repository by adding a comprehensive README file explaining your project, its usage, and setup instructions. Issues and projects. Utilize GitHub's issue tracker and project boards to manage tasks and collaborate effectively. Pull requests. If collaborating, create pull requests for changes. Collaborators review and merge them. Explore and share. Explore GitHub's features and share your project's repository with others to showcase your work.